Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your branding skills with 99 Designs Academy detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the 99 Designs website. Navigate to the Academy section, which is often found in the main menu. Once on the Academy page, explore the variety of branding resources available. Look for articles, tutorials, and guides specifically focused on branding. Take time to read content that resonates with your current skill level. Watch tutorial videos that explain branding concepts in depth. Make notes of key techniques and insights that you find valuable. Engage with interactive courses offered in the Academy. Sign up for any relevant webinars featuring industry experts. Participate in community forums to ask questions and share your experiences. Practice the skills you learn by applying them to your own branding projects. Peer review and seek feedback on your work from fellow community members. Explore case studies to understand how successful brands have developed their identities. Keep an eye on industry trends discussed in the Academy articles. Consider creating your own branding portfolio to showcase newly acquired skills. Continuously revisit the Academy as new content is regularly updated. Utilize social media channels associated with 99 Designs for continued learning. Stay motivated by setting branding goals based on your progress. Collaborate with other designers to expand your knowledge base. Leverage the templates and resources available on the platform to streamline your projects. Track your improvement over time by revisiting your early work. Embrace a mindset of lifelong learning as branding trends evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.